सो प्रेम के लिए ना दुर्योधन का 56 भोग लगाया था. वो छोड़ के कृष्ण आके किधर खाए, विदुर के अंदर रखे साग ಸೊಪ್ಪಿಂದಿದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಪ್ಪನ್ ಭೋಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 56 ವಿಧದ್ದು ಇದು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಆ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ವಿದುರನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪಿಂದು ಅದು ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹಂಬಲ್, ವೆರಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಫುಡ್. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಹಿ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಠಾಕೂರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಅವರೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರೆತು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸಾರಥಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನಂತೆ ಅರ್ಜುನನಿಗೆ. ಶಬರಿ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದ ಎಂಜಿಲ್ನ he was eating and he still told it's very tasty. So there is some more in the thing, but I wanted to get into Mahamantra as early as possible because that is the real mood setter. Chennagita, was it good?
Very nice.
No more talking. We will sing only bhajans. Anyone else wants to sing?
Talking is also very interesting.
It's not. I had a problem, so I have got a lovely family, including Sindhu and all those people, So we are such a huge family. Not that I went and did because कुछ समस्या थी इसलिए जाके मैंने ये सब किया, वैसा नहीं था. मैं किया क्योंकि समस्या नहीं आना चाहिए इसलिए. Okay, so it's because we postpone, thinking that when we are old we will do all that. So, and the best part was in IIT when I was doing, most of them were teachers. Vikram Hazara was there. His father was a professor there. And then, Baba?
Yes.
Khurshid Batliwala. You see a lot of his videos. Talks more than me. Okay, so he, Dinesh, Kashi, there are so many people who are all there in that place. Despite that, we have opposed. And then from Nitya Prajna, who is no longer alive, so he used to come to Hawaii and teach. So with all that, I resisted. And I lost 14 years of my life with not learning this. So today, from the time I was actually the chairman of the government of Karnataka's task force for during COVID. So I was managing about 45,000 volunteers across during lockdown. So I learned it in art of living. Nobody taught me or anything. It's only Gurudev. He taught during Silver Jubilee how you should handle volunteers. See, volunteer handling is a different challenge. ಸಂಬಳ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೈಬೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸೋದು ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ. So when then CM of Karnataka, he mockingly used to call me Swami because I am from art of living background. So he used to call and tell you come and do, but we did not know how COVID works. At that time everything was very very hazy, and I have a 80-year-old mother at that time at home. We are a joint family, big family. And when I asked Gurudev what to do, he told me, what is there to ask? We just go and do. The government has asked you to be there, so that time we had to be in the field. And we don't know how this disease is panning out. And 45,000 was mobilized, and every corner of this thing was done. So that day Guruji only advised me one thing. March 7th, was the day this conversation is happening, 2020. March 13th is the first COVID case in Karnataka. Okay, and lockdown came on 24th. So I still remember very well. So on 13th, when I had to get down onto the field, Gurudev told, never step out of the home without doing Kriya. So I was pretty regular with my Kriya, but when I'm traveling and just suffer karte na, to airport mein normally we feel that is meant for some particular community only, that prayer hall. So then after that I started using that room also to do my Kriya. Okay, so then now March 13th, 2020, I started till today. I have not missed a single day. Okay, so that commitment for him, it is keeping me healthy. So touch wood, I don't have any medical condition except hunger. That is visible from my size. तो मेरा साइज देखते ही पता चलता है कि मेरा एक ही बीमारी है, भूख लगता है हमेशा। तो दिखता ही है ना मेरे को वो बीमारी। So that is something that I decided that I will continuously do. I will not do anything else. Okay, like all these people do lot of other kind of yoga and Padmasana. Guruji told me to do this, I do only that. As if I do only what Guruji says. So till from that time we started, I will not stop. So that is the real, I attribute this health only to that. And it's, problem comes, problem goes, so we don't get affected by that.
Yes.
That time I become lotus. Teachers say, हम लोग ऊपर ना above the water.